Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a flat tire warning on an Infiniti Q50. First, visually inspect all 4 tires for any obvious signs of a flat or low pressure. Next, find the recommended tire pressure for your specific Infiniti Q50 model, usually located on a sticker inside the driver's side door jamb. This crucial step helps you know the correct target pressure for each tire. Once you've identified any low tires, use an air compressor to inflate them to the recommended PSI. It's important to recheck the pressure in all tires after inflation to ensure they are perfectly balanced. Remember, consistent pressure across all tires is key for optimal performance and to prevent the warning from reappearing. Don't forget to check your spare tire too. After correcting the tire pressure monitoring system, or TPMS, usually resets itself. To help this process, drive your Infiniti Q50 for about 10 minutes at a speed above 25 miles per hour. If the warning persists, refer to your owner's manual for any specific manual reset procedures that might be unique to your vehicle's model. If the flat tire warning light remains illuminated after you've checked and adjusted all tire pressures and driven the vehicle, it's time to consult a professional. A persistent warning could indicate a faulty TPMS sensor, which might need replacement. It could also signal a slow leak or internal tire damage that isn't immediately visible, requiring expert diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.